Now let's talk about the cyber security best practices. If you are in an organization, what kind of practices you are going to implement for your organization or even for your home, not only for the organization. So I have just shown the example of the small business, but if you have the in a big business, you can add your points as well. There is no issues. There is a lot of points to secure the organization. So the top 10 basically things I have just written here. The number one is conduct a security assessment. So if you have a team of security, make sure that the security teams are doing the right thing or not. What are the activity they are doing? So you need to take the audit. You need to take the assessment of your security team as well. Require a strong password and MFA. So as I said in the previous sections that MFA is very uh, very important, because if you do have the internet banking and attacker have the password, at least on that time this your internet banking is going to be secured. Employee security training, that's also we have discussed that why it is mandatory, why the awareness training is mandatory in an organization, especially related to this cyber security, so that the user or employee can get to know that in what links they have to click, if there is any email, then what they have to do. So they can be aware about these related to cyber security terms. Limit access to company data. So only those users who have uh, that much required, only that type of access they should have. In for this, IAM, identity and access management team, is already in place. So when the particular data user is trying to get the data which is not available for him, there should be a alert come to the security team that yeah, this is the guy who is actually trying to get this data. Why is trying to get this data? Just ask him. So this is what you can do. Backup your data. This is very important because we don't know. See, we have thousands of tools, but still we cannot say that we are 100% secure, right? After all these are tools, and tools can be bypassed. So this is the backup. This is your backup. You need to take care of all these things, that there should be some backup of your those data. Now, keep software up to date, not only the softwares, all the applications or operating system, everything you need to keep to update. Practice your incident response plan. So make CTF in your security team. Give some something real near about phishing emails, which is a which is near about a CTF, I can say. Especially the steganography concepts of steganography concepts images, where you can hide the malicious link at the image in the image. So for this phishing email investigation course, that is the advanced course actually, is already in place, and you can go through on Udemy, and you will get that particular course. So secure payment processing, that should be happen if you are a product based company. Implement formal security policies. That's why we were talking about, without security policies there is nothing in our organization, and your organization can't be certified with the ISO. And secure our networks. Secure your networks, we already have talked about the firewalls, IDS, these things we already have talked about. So that's it. This is the basic steps which you need to take care about in your organization, and these are the some best practices for cyber security. And all these things which is written here, this is the same thing which we talked about in the previous slide. So if you want, you can go through one by one. Correct. Install reputable antivirus and anti-malware software, backup important data, avoid using public Wi-Fi. Why I'm saying this? Because if I'm giving you a free Wi-Fi, it might happen I just wanted to know your IP. That's a very simple, right? So these things you should be aware about that. Educate yourself and other about cybersecurity risk and safe online behavior. Monitor your online accounts and all these things. You can read all these things which I have mentioned here. This is the same thing which we just discussed. So that's it. Thank you so much for taking this course, guys. Bye bye. Take care.